Alright, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel training. In this video, we're going to be looking at the choose column function, choose calls function. It chooses column. Now, the choose calls function is a lookup and reference function. The function extracts specific columns from an array or a range. The syntax will be the equal sign, choose calls, and then you select your array, which sometimes has to be the range of data, and then the column numbers that you want to extract. The key features for choose calls are select and returns only specified columns. Then it can support multiple column selections. It helps restructure data sets easily. Then it works with both dynamic and static array. So what it means is that you can combine it with dynamic arrays and you can also use it with other static array. Okay, so now let's go into the Excel worksheet and see how this works. We'll start from a very simple example and then we may look at something else. So equals sign, choose calls. We'll choose columns from this array. So I can come to the array on the left side and, select the entire range. That is my array of data. Then, with that, I can now tell the Excel to return which column. So maybe return column 2, and then give me column 4, and then possibly column 5. And then we'll be good. So this is what we choose to return. So the choose column, we choose columns based on what value we give. Now, if columns are indicated in form of numbers, then it means that with the choose column function, we can use it in a situation where you have values that requires column index number. Okay. So for instance, let's say equals VLOOKUP. Let's say your lookup value is caret, and then let's say the table array is this entire range of data, and then so we're looking at how the column, and then this one that is asking for column index number, you can say choose calls. Okay, but of course, why will I need that? Normally I can just put my column index number and I get my value. So this may not be a very good example, but a situation where you want to choose a column to display and then work with another value, maybe from another worksheet, then you can choose a column from here and choose another column from another worksheet and bring it here. And then, of course, choose another column from another worksheet if that is what you're trying to do. So these are dates, but it has changed to serial number, so you can always select this and format into date. You can format into date. Okay, so that's supposed to be a date value. Okay, so that is the choose column function. It works with column, it chooses column, and then we use it for the purpose of displaying or adding to other calculations, or even extracting series of columns from other worksheets into a single worksheet. Okay, so we'll be coming back in another session when we'll be looking at another function in Excel. Bye for now.